Presenting Genuine Leather Convertible Laptop Messenger Cum Travel Backpack Bag by Brand Leather. This bag is crafted out of 100% pure full-grained leather that lasts really very long and looks even better with age. This bag can be carried in 4 different ways. Firstly, by top handle reinforced with metal rivets. Secondly, by the dual handle hidden inside a zipper pocket. Thirdly, by shoulder strap attached with detachable dog hook and D. And lastly, by the backpack strap hidden inside the zipper pocket. This bag features smooth zipper with branded pullers which has small lock wings for extra safety during your travel. The bag is reinforced with double-sided nylon stitches and durable metallic rivets. The inner lining has extra padding for keeping your belongings safe and secure. This bag has 2 main compartments, one with padded laptop section for extra protection and also has enough space to hold diaries and important files. The second main compartment is very spacious for keeping clothes and other belongings during your travel. The front compartment is secured with top flap which has 1 buckle lock and 2 magnetic buttons. This compartment has dedicated pockets for wallet, pens and mobile phone. There is another small pocket with zip for keeping your IDs and important documents. The top flap also has 1 small pocket with zip for keeping small items. The back pocket with zip is perfect for keeping small notebooks or tabs. This bag comes in 6 different colors to choose from, and Brand Leather gives 1 year commitment to quality.